In this video, I will show you Ivacy Lite free VPN features and how to use it with just a one tap. This free VPN provides you speed and unlimited bandwidth. This free VPN of Ivacy protects your online privacy, masks your IP address, lets you access websites, encrypts your internet traffic, and helps you browse without restrictions with complete safety. Company also claims that it does not log user activities. There is much more to cover, so watch the video till the end. Antivirus software protects you from malware. But to protect your online privacy and security on the web, you need a virtual private network or VPN. With Ivacy Lite VPN, there is no cap on data usage. You get seamless and consistent VPN protection with zero connectivity issues. Enjoy anonymous browsing, streaming, and secure downloading from anywhere in the world. Ivacy Lite offers you powerful features absolutely free. The friendly user interface allows you to set up the VPN with one tap connect button. You will be immediately connected to the most optimized server in the range. Ivacy Lite is a rare example of free VPN without any bandwidth caps. With this free VPN, you can unblock and access websites, keep all your online activities private and anonymous online, mask IP address to make you invisible to the online trackers, be secure with military-grade encryption and security. Let's look at the features of Ivacy Lite free VPN Android app. The first feature is unlimited bandwidth. As mentioned, you can use the Ivacy Lite to surf, stream, or download content without any limit over your bandwidth. The second feature is no speed throttling. When a user uses a normal VPN, it may lower down the internet speeds. But Ivacy Lite VPN doesn't do that. This free VPN has a blazing fast speeds. It has the large number of servers that delivers the fastest speed all around. The third feature is no registration. Ivacy Lite VPN won't force you to register email address to use its service. You can just download and start using it. The main objective of this service is to keep you safe and anonymous online with ease of service. You can just download it and start using it. This feature is something that a lot of customers respond to and appreciate greatly. The fourth feature is zero log policy. Ivacy Lite claims to have zero log policy, which means the company will have no digital record of a user online activity. It is available on both Android and iOS platforms and comes with a single click action to get you started. So what does Ivacy Lite VPN do? Ivacy Lite allows you to browse anything from anywhere, anytime with peace of mind knowing that the device is completely safe and protected online. So how does Ivacy Lite VPN work? Ivacy Lite provides you with a trustworthy connection through an encrypted tunnel between you and your target website using VPN technology. It masks your real IP address to give you completely anonymity online, so you are invisible to online trackers. It offers a great connection that allows you to connect quickly with a single tap. Let us learn how to use Ivacy Lite free VPN. First, download the Ivacy Lite VPN from Play Store. When the download is completed, click on Open button. This will open the Ivacy Lite user interface. On the top, it says Tap to connect, and at the bottom, it says Connect to the fastest VPN server. You can see a big blue dot at the center of the screen. Click on it. As soon as you tap on the button, you will see a heading which says You are now protected. The big blue dot has a stopwatch in it. You can also see a key icon at the top right corner of the screen, which indicates the VPN symbol. Now the phone is ready to surf the internet. You can check the VPN country by typing my location in the incognito mode of the Google Chrome. So this was the quick introduction of the Ivacy Lite VPN Android app. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful videos. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.